Hi, this is Catherine with another video on Sculpt Studio for Second Life. And this video is part of a series on the point tools, and I had originally intended this to be one video, but then decided to break it up into individual videos. But for the first time around, I recommend that you still watch these in order, as it may not make total sense otherwise. And then once you've watched them all, you can go back and watch anything that you might need review on. And the series begins with the Point Pusher Ram tool. Now I'm going to show you the point b-spline. And once again, to get to this tool, you have to have a range of points selected. And we'll use 0 to 15. So we'll click point 0, say from here, click point 15, to here, click our slice, click our range, point 0 to 15, and right here is b-spline. You'll see your tool rests out in the middle here, and it says slice 0. It's slice 0 that I'm working on. B-spline control 1 of 1. I'll explain that in a minute. For points 0 to 15, that's our range that we just selected. Unlocked XYZ, and I'll explain the locks in a minute. And then it says it's not active. So if I click the tool and activate it, you'll see all the points in our range line up with the tool. And if I edit this tool and move it, it works similar to the curve tool. But the difference with this tool is that these spheres, you can add more of these spheres in, and these are called controls. So if I click this control here, I can say add control minus. It'll add another control in over here on the 0 side. If I click it again and say add control plus, it'll add another control over here on the higher point side. Now activate these again, and you'll see in here it now says b-spline control. This one is 3 of 3, this one is 2 of 3, and this one is 1 of 3. And now when I move these controls around, you'll see that I get a complex curve in here. And now for the locks, what you can do is you can lock a particular axis so that your points won't move on that axis. So I can click this control and I'll lock the X and activate it again. You'll see that the controls change color, and it now says unlocked Y and Z. So the Y and Z are still unlocked and the X is locked. So now when I take this control and move it along the Y or the X axis, you'll see that the points are not changed. But when I move it on the Y axis, the points change. And that's basically how the point b-spline tool works. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And this was the last video in the point tool series. If you have any questions, you can IM me in the world. My name is Catherine Resident, or you can post them here.